Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Coding the Village. Last time we've edited. Why do I never remember what I did last? I might check the comments, right? Should be there. How do you do that? Tooltips. Gotcha. Last time we've added tooltips, as we all know. And then I've improved it a little bit off stream. Let me show you. Added the darkened background, added the slight delay, and done it the what can we see, like this. However, the requirements shows what the requirement is. Not sure if that's too important. I think the icons are pretty telling, but let's just do test the tooltip. Right, so there's this half a second delay now. There. So that's how it looks. And also a benefit, I've made it into a separate like class, like advanced type of the sprite. Could be around there. We've got sprite and we've got tooltip sprite that inherits from the sprite as well. But it handles all the tooltipy stuff. And part of the constructor is it like auto registers to the handling of the updating the tooltip. So I basically don't have to do any extra work now when I want to implement a tooltip to something. For example, if we take a look at the requirement somewhere there, it just inherits from tooltip sprite instead of the sprite. And all we need to do is set the tooltip. I'm doing it like that for now. So in the constructor, we're just setting the tooltip. That's all we need to do. We don't have to care about anything else. Everything else happens in the background. Perfect. I'm very happy with that. Great stuff. Today, I would like to maybe take a little break from all the game logic and all that stuff and add a first sprinkle of polish and make something move. So I would like to just implement the basic movement of the sprites, so just we can move the sprite around, have some sense of motion on the screen. Yeah, should be, I hope, pretty easy. We'll see. There can always go something wrong, right? So we will use the base sprite to define all we're gonna need. So anything that's drawn on the screen can move. I've also added those recently. Not sure if I mentioned it. I don't think so. Like 2 flags if the sprite is removed. Not using it right now for anything, but I will. And this should tell if the sprite can be removed from anywhere it is. So that's just like a flag if the entity is done and can be removed from everywhere. Then I've added this is visible for things that are needed, will be needed, but are not necessarily drawn right now. like events that are waiting in a deck to be drawn, monsters that are waiting in a deck to be spawned and stuff. So things that we have in a memory, but don't need to draw them. There's this basic check. If it's visible, then we can draw it. So that's some slight backend engine things I've changed and added in a past day. Okay, let's go move something. Well, we've got a position. That's where the thing is. I'm gonna add a destination, which is where we will want the sprite to be. We will definitely need a update method. Yeah, I want to like separate all of the logic-y stuff into different methods. Definitely. Let's do update movement. I'm gonna keep it virtual because why not? Update movement where we do the movement logic. So we've got the destination. What else we need? We need the probably speed. Something how fast the so how fast the sprite should move. Let's do that. Something like float speed. We'll have some kind of default value. No idea. It's gonna be like pixels per second. Let's do, I don't know, 200. 200 for now. We can change that anytime we want. We will need the direction of the movement, but I think I will calculate this like every frame. Do I need to calculate this every frame, or do I just do that once? Just for now, I'm gonna calculate the direction on each frame again, which is probably not needed and optimized, but could also yeah, I think I'm gonna do it like that. I'm just gonna count the direction every frame. If it's gonna be a problem in the future, that's a low-hanging fruit to optimize. Okay, do we need anything else? We need to know where we want to be, how fast to get there. It's pretty much, I think that's pretty much what we need. Yeah, let's start with that. So let's start with if destination is position. Oh, we can end. We are already there. Some people don't like comparing to like floating points, which vector is like a 2 floating point struct, but I've never encountered problem with that, and I will be copying the destination to the position. Yeah, it should be okay. Should be okay. So if it's not, we're gonna get the direction, probably something like let's call it there. It's suggesting something which is not what we want. We want a simple destination minus position. That's the vector towards the destination. We will need to normalize that. Let's actually do one more check. If let's do that vector to distance. We can use distance squared. It's faster. Okay, let's do that. We need the two positions. So destination and position. If this distance squared is less than like what? Like 4 would be like 2 pixels because it's squared. Like 16. Let's do 16. We'll see. What I want to do is checking the distance from the destination. If we are really close enough, we're just gonna snap into position and be done with it. So something like that. So if we are close enough, we will set the position as the destination and just end the movement. Right. Okay. Do I want to have a flag that would say it's moving? It's moving. Could do something like public bool is moving, which would simply return destination is position. I could probably use this there. Is moving. If it's not moving, then just return. Wait, that should be not right. Yeah, if it's not moving. Okay. So if it's not moving, then we can end. Okay. Perfect. If it's moving and it's not very close to the destination, we will move it towards the destination. This is the direction we should move. We can normalize it. Is this gonna... Yeah, that's void. It should Yeah, okay. Cannot do that with the 0 vector, but this shouldn't ever be 0 vector, since if it were, this wouldn't let it get there. Should be safe. Now we can just change the position. So position is, can we do it like that? Not like that. Let's do it like that. So the change in the position is the direction times speed times the time elapsed. That's there. Okay. How far per second we get, in which direction, and what's the portion of the second actually. So that will move us in the correct direction of the desired amount. Okay. So this should move the thing. Now we need to call the update somewhere. Let's do a test example on the monsters, maybe on the monster cards. They are sliding into the row. They could use the animation. Thinking that we need to handle the maybe waiting for the movements to complete, or we just don't. We'll just move. We will do our stuff in the meantime. We'll see how that feels, looks, and works. So for the monster, actually check the spawn monster. We are recalculating monster positions there. Yeah. We are inserting at the 0 index. That's the newest one. I'm not sure if they just really spawn at that position and not move from somewhere for now. We can later have like a cave or a dark portal that they will emerge from, but for now they will just, I don't know, pop into existence at this location, I think, for now. But the older ones should move. Question is, how do we know which one's already there, which one's newly spawned? I don't know. Could be like What's that? That's the newly spawned position, I guess. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's the base, like the base position. Okay. Then that's the base position. That's where it goes. Okay. I would like to probably then set this in the spawn. If that makes sense, something like this. This also need to set the destination to that, so that we know we already arrived, or like spawned there. So that's where it spawns, and when moving it should be there. We'll be setting the destination. So destination, and it might be all. Is the first one. It's gonna end up at the same spot. And other than that, it's gonna move right. Think might be it. We'll see. I really think it might be it. Is there something wrong with that? I don't think so. Might be correct. Now it's just a matter of calling the update. Calling the update of the, yeah, it's inside the sprite. The update movement for the monsters somewhere. What's the, when are we? Well, they could move like anytime. Anything could move anytime. I think that should be some kind of common update for everything and every state. Just a thought. So let's put it inside the monster manager. Does the monster have an update already or something? Should, right? Yeah, it's the update. What are we calling this? Inside the monster manager, update active monsters. Update active monsters. What's it doing? That's updating the requirements for the position. Yeah, so that the requirements are aligned with the card itself. Got it. Can I call this there as well? It's not gonna be called though. Yeah, let's do it. Let's try that. So something like update movement there. And this also should come first. This will affect the requirements positions. Okay. Kinda works, but we need to do that on every state. Think we are now doing it just in the questing, maybe. Update active monsters. Anywhere else? Questing and village scene. Okay. We've got something like common draw. I will probably need to redo this approach at some point because it's not the best. Now let's do monster manager update active monsters. Common update. Let's put this everywhere. Don't have that ever. Do I care? I don't know. This is just like one frame things, but they won't be. There. Is it from the game manager? Okay. Do I want to do that first? Probably. Resolve monsters. Yeah, it's switching immediately anyway. Oh, okay. It seems like... Why do I have this there and not there? I don't know. I don't think this is needed, but... Come on, update for... Oh, that's upgrade scene. Okay. Update active monsters. Gonna be that. Is that all? Moment of truth again. Let's see. Pretty sure I'm missing something. We'll see. So if I get to a new round, this should slide. Not sure about the speeds. Oh, it's working. Quite slow though, but that's the easiest thing to change. We just raise the speed. I don't know, 500. No. This is the resolve monster. Attacked and disappeared, and I'm in the upgrade phase where I can do that. Now they will get a new one. Okay. I don't like when during the upgrade phase we are not drawing the villagers. Slightly confusing. Let's change that back. So that's Let's draw village phase. No. Is it in the common draw? Draw villagers. Okay. How does it look in the upgrade scene? Pretty much the same now. Let me check. That's village phase. Draw upgrade phase. Common draw is all of that, right? Isn't it the same now? Like we've got villagers, work spots. Well, the dice are not there, but they shouldn't be there anyway, so it shouldn't matter. Active quests there. Monsters. Active events should be there as well. Yeah, let's change it to just the common draw. I don't see a reason why not. Moving. Why am I not getting the upgrade phase now? If I change the button. I'm skipping the upgrade phase now for some reason. What have I done? Draw upgrade phase. What? Why would drawing change this thing? Draw upgrade and research phase. Let's rename this to upgrade so we're consistent. But come on, what's going on? Come on, draw. We got resolve quests. Resolve monsters. Research. Great. Changing to upgrade. Hello, Jack. Safe travels. You've done some basic movement for these sprites, so something's moving on the screen finally. The monsters. Yay. I kinda lost the upgrade phase for unknown reasons now. It's gonna be something stupid. But also stacking their swords now. Getting all the forge upgrades. It's beautiful. Yeah. First movement. Yay. but I would like my upgrade scene back. Hello, Mo. Thank you. I will. I'm trying. I'm trying really hard to keep this project going. It's progressing quite nicely. It's been what, like, when did I start? Let me check. Let me check date of the first design video. That was September 25th. So 3 days, and this is gonna be a month old. I think it's doing great being a month old project. Most of the logic is in, so yeah, it's gonna only start looking better from now on. Hi to India. Hello. And okay, so that's a case of if accidentally changed something and lost my upgrade phase. And I think I've just changed like this thing there. I'm not sure why would that break anything. I don't know. There we're switching to upgrade properly when resolving monsters. I don't get it. I just want to build my portfolio using HTML, CSS. That's a good start for web technologies. Definitely the foundation for everything. If you want to be a web developer, maybe, or I think any programmer should have these basics. Basic knowledge. Let me see if I get there. Yeah, gonna have to debug on the other monitor. And yeah, let's try getting there. Okay, we're here. Enable workspot upgrades. Done that. Still in the update. Drawing stuff. And where are we? What's that? Update of game. Can we get to a new frame? Game update. All right. Again, everything's getting updated. Why is it getting updated? Oh, it's just waiting for me now. Okay, keep going. Why did I get the upgrades? I don't get it. No, maybe. Wait. What did I add? I don't think I've broken the upgrades. Upgrades a tooltips right now. And we need to... But it was there. What? I don't know. What have I changed inside the sprite? I've just added update movement, which was not there at all. That's a mystery. Oh no. Where did my upgrades go? I've probably... I know. I'm not drawing them right. There was something like draw upgrades. It's not part of the common upgrade. I got it. So... But where is it? Draw work spot upgrades. Work spots? No? Come on. Must be somewhere. Player? Yeah, this. Missing this. Okay, got it. So like player, do that, there. Come on. I've accidentally deleted this when redoing it to the common draw. Not noticed this was extra there. I'm pretty sure. Should work now. Yeah, there we go. Does it work? Yes. Great. Saved. Okay, we've got a moving thingies there. We can do the quest movement as well. Let's add that as the second example. We probably can pronounce moving sprites around as completed. You know how to do it now. And it's fairly easy. So let me check how I did monsters. Yeah, we need the update and call the update movement somewhere. And set the destination thingies that was inside the... There when spawning new, we did that. I see, and then when recalculating the positions, we change it. Okay, got it. Let's do the same for quests. So inside quest update, we'll do update movement like that. I think that was all. The monster manager, it was this destination. So this quest manager, supply recalculate this, it's gonna be destination instead. And when obtaining, that's the equivalent for spawning. We'll do something like that. It could be all. We need more quest. Oh, how was it there? Like that. What's the show? Do I not need show? Oh, because I'm not hiding. Wait. Should be hiding them. Oh, I'm removing them from the deck. So you don't need to hide them. I see. It's unnecessary. Well, okay. We can fix that later. We need quest. Get the first one. Set the position. But what's the quest's position? That I need to also put all those numbers somewhere. Not like these random locations. Okay, I think that's it. Except we need to put the or something. Where did we put the monster update movement, okay. Where are we calling this? There. Update active quests. Let's put that into the common thingy. There. And again, that could be it. We'll see. So not only the monsters should move now, but the quests as well. Oh, great. They seem to be a lot faster. So also these requirements icons stay there for at least a frame more than the thing. Like that. Need to fix that. This double speed movement means only one thing. I'm calling the update twice somewhere. Okay, let's find out. Got 3 references now. Yeah, there. Need to remove this from there because it's part of the common update now. That's why it was double speeding. Okay. Common update quests. Yeah, just one reference. That's what we want. Come on, update. Okay. Should be okay now. Yeah. Like a ballet, synchronized, same speed, perfect. Guys are getting eaten by giant spiders. Food's being stolen. Two will fall now. Rip. Okay. So when they cycle through, the upgrades stay on them. I'm not sure if I want this or not. I would have to put those requirements into some extra buff list that will last only until they finish the queue. So let's put this on, I don't know, I want to call it bug fixing. Remove monsters. Monster buffs. After discard. Stuff like that. Just gonna put it on the list so I don't forget. And I think we've done it again. Task finished. Like moving sprites around. Not all of them. Done 2 examples just to see what needs to be done. Practice. Make it easier next time. And it's gonna be it. Thinking whether there's something important, but looks like it's working nicely. Some cleaning up I should do, but not now. Like those position constants could be part of something. But yeah, not a biggie. Okay, thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know how to proceed with the game. You have the great opportunity to help me shape up the game. However, we decide is the best way possible. So don't be shy. Let me know in the comments, what should I add to the game? What rules should I change? Or just support me and wish me luck. That will keep me going. Thank you. Have a nice rest of the day and I'll see you real soon.